Tired of feeling stuck in the online gig maze? Welcome to Earn Wisely, your map to navigating the exciting, yet sometimes confusing, world of online income. Whether you're a tech-savvy freelancer or a creative soul searching for your online niche, we offer actionable strategies, expert insights, and real-life success stories to guide you on your journey. This is more than just making money, it's about building a life you love, fueled by your own ambition and fueled by the endless possibilities of the internet. Let's turn your online presence into a thriving business, one click at a time. Welcome to my channel Earn Wisely, where we decode the art of earning wisely. Subscribe for practical financial tips and strategies to empower your journey toward financial success. Enjoy the video. Hit the like button and share with like-minded people to grow together. Let's start. The Billionaire Algorithm. Your path to success. I used to believe that achieving success was solely dependent on luck, winning the lottery, inheriting a fortune, or discovering buried treasure. However, my perspective has evolved over the past few years. I've come to understand that the key to success lies in the small, consistent actions we take every day. These actions, which may seem insignificant on their own, compound over time, forming habits that shape our lives. While many desire instant success, the truth is that success is determined by the choices we make daily, what time we wake up, our routines, and whether we strive to improve by 1% each day. These actions, when compounded, lead to habits that define our lives. It's essential to recognize that success is not an overnight achievement but a result of continuous effort. Most people focus on the end goal, but it's the daily actions that create lasting habits and, ultimately, determine success. Whether it's waking up early, consistently working towards a goal, or making small improvements, these habits shape our lives. To master these habits effectively, we can follow the Billionaire Algorithm, which consists of 5 stages. The first stage is noticing, where we become aware of distractions and reflect on what may be holding us back. This involves evaluating moments where we feel trapped or unmotivated. Stage 2 is about understanding our desires, distinguishing between conscious and subconscious wants. By controlling our environment, we can make it easier to form positive habits. The third stage involves taking action. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by numerous tasks, we should view our goals as a series of small repetitions, making the journey more manageable. Liking, the fourth stage, focuses on enjoying the process. Immediate rewards are crucial for forming good habits, so finding ways to make tasks enjoyable can significantly impact long-term consistency. Finally, the fifth stage is resilience. It's essential to accept that setbacks will occur, but the key is never to miss twice. Even if we stumble occasionally, getting back on track ensures steady progress toward our goals. Success is not just about achieving specific results, it's about building an identity through consistent actions. By embracing small habits and choices each day, we can shape our lives and work towards becoming the person we aspire to be. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Billionaire Algorithm and the transformative power of habits. Success is not a mystery or a stroke of luck. It's a result of intentional, consistent actions that compound over time. As we conclude, I encourage you to reflect on the habits that shape your daily life. Consider implementing the principles of the Billionaire Algorithm. Notice distractions, understand your desires, take consistent action, find joy in the process, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. Building a successful life is not about overnight success but about the journey of becoming the person you aspire to be. Remember, success is not just an external achievement. It's about crafting an identity through your habits. If you found value in this discussion, please like this video and subscribe for more content on personal development and success strategies. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know which stage of the Billionaire Algorithm resonated with you the most. Stay committed to your journey, embrace the power of small actions, and never forget that success begins with the choices you make today. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, keep striving for success through intentional habits. Thanks for joining me on this Earn Wisely journey today. Remember, building a successful online income takes time, dedication, and a sprinkle of smart strategy. Keep learning, keep hustling, and most importantly, believe in your own potential. This is just the beginning of your online empire, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Until next time, keep dreaming big and earning wisely. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button with comments.